Who you with?
Ourselves.
Yourself?
Yep. That's what we do for a living. Yes, sir.
That house over there, Billy
Right behind
Singer's
here.
house. Billy Singer's house been through 3 floods.
Jeez. 3 of them.
Yeah, 84.
I'm done with this shit, man. I'm ready to move out of here. I'm ready to go to town.
So this is what happened from the flood. This house was organized. It was literally just from the floods moving everything around.
So it was flowing through here pretty heavy, huh? Were you able to save anything, or did it?
They can't say nothing, everything green.
The table looks nice.
Thank you.
Everything's. My God.
Can't get the doors open now.
Everything. Yeah, the moisture.
See him right over there. I tell you what, you see him tables stuff right over there. My wife bought him just before she died. She died 3 years ago. She died November the 24th of 2018. She bought him. And she died. She died the next day. We brought him home and she died.
Wow. This is from the flood.
I doubt if they fix this thing.
I might just be like,
Damage.
yeah, I know, that's been the biggest thing I've ever asking
But see,
people.
when you got it, the other time you didn't get in, like 6 inches getting in.
This. Wow.
I know, there's just, everything's coated.
Everything's covered. So you see how high it got in here.
I've never seen anything like this. Just now, wow.
Go around back through there, son.
Thank you.
You turn the light on back there.
Okay. Thank you.
Go around back there in the bedroom.
Okay.
You can see how high it got on that TV in there.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. And how long have you lived here?
I've lived here going on 6 years.
Nothing over like.
I bought these places back in 2016. I bought them and my daddy out there in that yellow house. He lived here 4 months before.
How long did this take for the water to? Oh, your poor computer and everything. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
Come here and see right here. You can see right here on this TV.
Yeah, I just want to get. I'm trying to get a good scope of everything to show people and maybe get some more.
See how high it got on there with that. See how high it got on that TV right there.
Jeez. And you've never seen anything like this around here?
What? This is the first time I'm 57-year-old. This is the first time I've seen anything like this.
Oh, everything's so squishy too. Yeah, there's nothing you can do after that. Everything's so just coated.
Alright, I'm 57-year-old. This is the first time I've seen like this.
Well, at least you still got your life, and it's just stuff. You know, I mean, honestly.
I've lived here all my life. I lived here in Jackson all my life. This is the first time I've seen it since.
To anybody that wants to send help out here, what do you guys need out here? Food, water, clothes. What do you need for supplies? Sleeping? The sleeping arrangements, what you got?
Out there right now, we've been sleeping in our car because they still have better stuff.
Okay, so that's basically what big need out here at this point is.
Yeah, here's something to sleep in.
Okay. All right, cool. We'll get this out there as soon as we can, and hopefully get you guys some help.
See if I go off from here, they gonna come down here and steal everything I got.
Yeah, no, and you're basically stuck.
They already been down in here, people has, and I've been here.
I'm so sorry. Oh, oh, such a beautiful bed too. Oh, sir, this was a beautiful house too. This was beautiful in here too. This was beautiful in here. You can tell it was just cute and cozy and.
That's where my wife. See, I slept in that. See, my wife passed away, and see, and I took and left it. See, and I moved back there in the back, so I could. Where that boy's got sugar real bad, and he's blind. See, I take care of a boy that's blind. I take care of one that can't talk. I got one that can't read and stuff. Mostly while we need some sleeping.
So we're sleeping. All right. Thank you so much for your time.
It's wasted, ain't it?
It is. It's rough.
You wanna go over and look at that other place? That other place it took
Yeah.
the day to come off at.
Yeah, if that's all right.
All three of them belong. I'll take you over and show you that. See that car we had? See that car?
Here.
Right there.
Can you clip that on you? Do you mind? Go ahead. Just clip it right on your shirt.
See right there's a swimming pool right there.
And where was that at?
That was right there.
At least the horse.
See, I had dog guts right there, and he took every one of them out of here. I had dog cages right there. Took my garage out. It took my garage plumb out. See right there where I got my trucks at? It took my garage plumb out.
Oh, we'll walk back over there when.
Yeah, I had a big patio right there, and I had a swimming pool right there, and it took it every bit out. You see where the swimming pool's at there? See where he pulled the posties out of the ground. You see right where he pulled it right off the. We'll be over in a minute. He knocked the cabinets, pulled them off the wall. In the kitchen there.
Oh, wow.
See, it knocked the cabinets.
Oh.
You can get over to the light switch over there. It's way over there. And it's knocked the cabinets and everything off. See the cabinets laying there? Son, ain't my issue, son. Flat work done. Flat work done. Look at this bathroom in here, something like that. This bathroom, you can't even get in here.
Oh my God, look at the door.
Look right down there, gun cabinet. Right down to the gun cabinet. Get in this room.
Flies already coming.
You get in this room, this thing there who's got, she's got it, I got the door blocked. Dresser's got it blocked. You go see, it's got
Oh, jeez.
it blocked, can't get.
Focus. There we go.
And it worked out now.
Thank you so much for opening your house to us.
What?
Thank you so much for opening your house to us.
See, I'm gonna tell you something. See, when they bought this house, they just redone this house before they bought it.
Everything's so slippery, too.
Yeah. Why don't we take you over here and show you this? We just got this one done. Now, we just got this one done not too long ago, where it got flooded the last time. Yeah, where it got flooded the last time, he just now got it. Look here, I tore the took the underpin and stuff off of it.
It's just doing any work. The ground's just so saturated you can barely walk in it.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's where it's
I'm
wet.
going a half-inch in the ground with every step.
Yeah, that's how.
You got power in your house? You got electricity at your house?
Yeah, I got electricity.
Oh, no, like,
This must be, this one there they must got the breaker turned. Just come in here and look at her. Wait, so you can tell we just got this one done.
take a second for the camera to focus for the light. Just gotta move slow in here because of that, you know. Camera will get it, just doing
Yeah.
real slow.
See, this might help us out this time because with FEMA turned us down the other time.
And then
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine how much force was in here. Everybody's fridge is tipped.
Yeah. And there's that other room.
Oh my gosh. Like, so it was just whirlpools in this place.
Yeah, just sunny.
Just knocking things around. So I don't think they had the kitchen table here.
Yeah, see, it's sitting right here. It's sitting right here. The kitchen table's sitting right there where them trees at. Look here at the chest. She had the TV sitting on there right there.
You guys got hit way worse.
No way.
Down. You guys got hit probably the hardest we've seen. To be honest, besides just literally getting.
I turned it into FEMA there a while ago. I don't know if they help us or not. Look her in there, what it done to that?
Get them out there. Everything's just got like a half-inch of mud on it.
I don't know if it turned her washer and dryer up or not. Her washer and dryers. You better watch.
Oh yeah. No, I definitely moved them around.
See, we just got through putting new vinyl flooring and everything on this. See, you can tell we just got this fixed. Probably can't get that open.
Another door you can't barely get in. There's just stuff washed everywhere.
Hey, Shirley,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Well, I'm waiting on you to come out so I can. Did
You
you get
might-
the electricity on?
No, I couldn't get that to come on. No, I couldn't get it to come on.
Be sure.
Walk right on around there. Look what it done to them trees. Hear what it done to my building. Moved it.
I was just, that doesn't look like that's where it normally would be.
Come around down through here. Watch that trailer. That trailer was sitting right here. That trailer was sitting right here, and he washed it right there. See how far he moved the building? Now right there is where my garage is at. It took my whole garage out.
And it's just gone.
Gone, gone. My lawnmower's laying over the hill right there. Right there lays my lawnmower.
It's like it wasn't even here.
Thursday, I've been picking my tools up.
Yeah.
He moved them lawnmowers. He moved that lawnmower from right there to right there.
I think those aren't light either. How far of a drop off? How high is this river normally?
What?
How high is this normally?
Yeah, right here. Come here and I'll show you on this gate right here how high it was. I got
How
up.
high is it normally? Like when it's
Well,
normal?
it's way down there.
Like even from now?
Yeah, it's lower than that when it's down. When it's down, the river ain't all the way back down yet.
No, I didn't imagine. That's why I was kind of curious where.
No, it'd be down past them trees and everything.
Down past these trees right
Yeah, past all them trees. It'd go right down to the bank.
Okay.
Right there was right. See this gate right there?
Yes.
At 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. It's on that second. It's on that second board right there. Right there is on that second board. Is on that second board from the top at 7 o'clock.
PM?
What?
PM or AM?
Do I know?
PM or AM?
In the morning.
It's AM. All right.
In the morning.
Okay.
Cause that fella walked down here. By the time I went back, time I went in there and put my shoes and stuff back on.
And then it went up that much higher from there too.